Turn text into engaging audio lessons in minutes. Watch now. Tired of spending hours recording audio for your lessons? What if I told you there's a way to turn any text into a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of text-to-audio AI. If you're an educator, content creator, or anyone who needs to present information, this is a game changer. We'll explore super simple AI tools that can transform your written content into engaging audio, saving you time and boosting your accessibility. Stick around. Let's face it, recording audio can be a drag. You need equipment, a quiet space, and let's not even talk about editing out all those ums and ahs. It eats up valuable time you could be spending on creating great content. But here's the thing. AI has come to the rescue. Tools like 11 Labs, Speechma allow you to paste your text, choose a voice, and generate audio. It's that simple. Imagine turning your lesson plans, presentation notes, or even your blog posts into audiobooks or podcast episodes effortlessly. What makes these tools so powerful? First, the variety of voices. You can choose from dozens, even hundreds of voices, male, female, different accents, ages, and tones. Need a calm narrator for a meditation guide? Or an energetic speaker for a marketing pitch? There's a voice for that. Second, customization. You can often adjust the speed, pitch, and even add pauses to make the audio sound incredibly natural. This isn't robotic text-to-speech from years ago. This is sophisticated AI, HST. So how can you use this? Educators create accessible audio versions of your lectures for students who learn better by listening or need accommodations. Content creators generate voiceovers for explainer videos, podcasts, or even audio ads without hiring expensive voice actors. Authors turn your ebooks into audiobooks quickly. What's one way you could see yourself using text-to-audio AI? Let me know in the comments below. I'm super curious. Host leans in slightly, more direct address. HST. The possibilities are truly endless. And the best part, many of these tools offer free trials or affordable plans, so you can experiment and see the magic for yourself. HST. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips on leveraging AI for your content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. HST. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope this inspires you to explore text-to-audio AI and revolutionize your workflow. Check out the links in the description to try some of the tools we talked about HST. Next week, we'll be looking at AI tools for generating stunning visuals.